I'm sure you know the expression IsiZulu asitolikwa. It's a very common expression in the IsiZulu language, and it means IsiZulu cannot be translated. It is used by the speakers of IsiZulu very often when somebody asks, but what does that mean, or what does this mean? And if the speaker thinks about the expression, or he thinks about what is to be translated, sometimes the mother tongue speaker just says, you know, IsiZulu asitolikwa. It's so difficult to translate. I remember in 2021, when the expression on social media and in the country, ziyakhala was just everywhere. Everywhere was, everybody was using the expression, hey, ziyakhala manje, and people are still using it, ziyakhala manje. Some people would ask, sorry, but what do you mean by this? I mean, where does it come from? If you say ziyakhala, what does it refer to? And many people would answer by saying, whoa. IsiZulu asitolikwa. So, I'm wanting to speak to you about the second word, asitolikwa. And that's what I'm wanting to talk to you about now. So, IsiZulu asitolikwa, IsiZulu cannot be translated. Did you know that the verb isenzo in this word asitolikwa comes from the Afrikaans language? This is quite interesting because the expression IsiZulu asitolikwa is used in the IsiZulu language. IsiZulu cannot be translated, but the word toleka, ukutoleka. This is used sometimes in a court where a person is a translator. So somebody says something in IsiZulu, and then the person otolekayo, this person translates what the one person said in a language into another language. They say uyatoleka. But this word ukutoleka comes from the Afrikaans word om te tolk. T-O-L-K, om te tolk, and it means to translate. The word that is from within IsiZulu, if you want to express it in that way, in other words, that is not borrowed, when it comes to translating, is the word ukuhomosha. Is homosho a translation? Ukuhomoshela, ukuhomoshelela, uhomosha. But this word ukutoleka in this expression is IsiZulu asitolikwa comes from the Afrikaans word om te tolk, T-O-L-K. Interestingly, in Afrikaans, this word tolk, T-O-L-K, can be a verb, okay, that is to translate, ukuhomosha, om te tolk, but it can also be the person who is translating. If you ask in Afrikaans, wat se werk doen jy? Wenza mopum sebenzi. What work do you do? The person can answer by saying, ek is a tolk. Ngingumuntu ohomoshayo. Ek is a tolk. I am a translator. So, did you know that? IsiZulu asitolikwa, this word, ukutoleka, comes from the Afrikaans word tolk, om te tolk.